हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रेया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ परफ्यूम एम्प्टीज शेयर करने वाली हूँ एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज परफ्यूम्स आर फ्रॉम प्लैटिनम परफ्यूम्स। प्लैटिनम परफ्यूम्स एक इंस्टाग्राम एंड व्हाट्सएप स्टोर है एंड दे क्रिएट ड्यूप्स ऑफ डिजाइनर फ्रेग्रेंसेज विच आर लाइक जस्ट फॉर 299 रुपीज़ 300 ऐसे टाइप के रेंज के आपको परफ्यूम्स मिल जाएंगे। तो मेरे पास ये सारे परफ्यूम्स हैं जो मैं ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ। प्लैटिनम परफ्यूम्स के बहुत सारे वीडियोज़ किए हैं मैंने मेरे चैनल पे एंड ऑलमोस्ट all of you have had very good experience shopping at platinum perfumes and you know आप लोगों ने मुझे बहुत अच्छा feedback दिया है and that is the reason I keep going back to platinum perfumes and I test and try their new releases. So आज के वीडियो में सारे मैं perfume empties शेयर कर रही हूँ platinum perfumes का. So let's get started. Before I begin, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and now let's get started. थोड़ा जल्दी जाऊंगी इस वीडियो में because I just want to tell you whether I will be repurchasing these fragrances or not, and a quick review, like a very touch and go kind of a review. So the first one I have is by Nina Ricci. Now this one is such a beautiful fruity fragrance which has like a lot of citrus blast to it. Like it just is kind of like start of the day. It is super fresh, it's super crisp kind of a perfume. I really enjoy this wearing to office. It just is like नींद से उठाने वाला perfume. It just opens your senses. I really like this one and I do want to repurchase it. Next perfume is Lipstick On. Now this one is a very gorgeous kind of like a iris based fragrance. Although I enjoy this a lot, but I do have many other iris fragrances in my collection that I enjoy more. So this one is not a repurchase. The next perfume is Chanel Chance. Now this perfume again is a very gorgeous fragrance. Such a feminine, such a delicate perfume. It is kind of like a reminder of a blush pink color to me for some reason. I enjoy this a lot, but I like more gothic fragrances. So this kind of a freshness is something that I enjoy once in a while, not something that I want to wear every day. So this one is not a repurchase for me. Next one is Rouge 540, which is a Baccarat Rouge 540 dupe. I have two perfumes which are already duping BR 540 and I just want to get through them first before I repurchase this one. So for now, this one is not a repurchase. The next one is one of my favorite picks from Platinum Perfume. This one is a dupe to J'adore. Now Dior J'adore is one of my favorite floral fragrances to try. This is such a gorgeous perfume, such a ladylike, such a sophisticated feminine fragrance which just does not go wrong any occasion. This is just a superior fragrance. I absolutely love this one. A definite repurchase for me. In fact, I have already repurchased it, so this is like a second bottle that I have run through and I will again repurchase it. Like this will be a third time that I'll get it. The next one is Herba Pura. This one is by Xerjoff ka dupe. Now Herba Pura just hit the internet on the different level, but this is so fruity. Like this is a blast of a fruitiness in a bottle with a lot of freshness to it. I enjoyed it, but not to a point that I want to repurchase it. So this one is a good perfume, but I just don't want to repurchase this one. Next one is Elisab La Parfum. I absolutely enjoyed this one. A very different scent profile. This is fruity, this is floral. The rose in this is dominating. The overall scent profile is super mature and slightly vintage, if I may say so. This just has a mature lady vibe to it. This is something that my mom really enjoyed. I am going to repurchase it for her. Next perfume is Juicy Couture. Now this one is again a very fresh juicy fragrance. At this point of time, I have many of the juicy fragrances from Paris Corner and from Latafa, and I'm not really looking for a designer juicy fragrance as such, so I'm not going to repurchase it. Next one is Cool Water. This one is Cool Water Sea Rose and this one is by Davidoff. This is such a pink, such a lively, such a fresh fragrance. Something that is a perfect office wear. I quite enjoyed this one. I quite like how delicate this perfume is and I like this to be worn during lunchtime, lunch dates. A very sophisticated romantic fragrance. I do want to get my hands on this again, so want to repurchase it. Next one is Narciso Rodriguez. Now I already have the original Narciso Rodriguez, so I don't really want to repurchase this one, but it's a very gorgeous clean girl scent which is very dominating on musk. So a very beautiful clean fragrance basically. Next one is Lady Million. Now this fragrance is on my designer wishlist fragrances. I do want to get myself a Lady Million fragrance, and it's been so long that it's been on my wish list, and I finally had to cave in and buy this one. I do like this fragrance. I do want to repurchase it, but rather than repurchasing this, I rather want to like go for the original designer fragrance because I do like the scent profile. Next is Paradox, and this is something that I absolutely love, and this is something that I absolutely cannot afford. Like, I went to Nykaa, I sprayed the Paradox fragrance on me, and I was like, wow, I really want this one. Then I saw the price tag, 10,000. I'm like, are you kidding me? I'm just going to go and buy the platinum perfume version of this, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to repurchase this one, probably a bigger bottle of Paradox. Love this one. If you are into bright florals with some fruitiness to it, a very lively, very fresh fragrance, you are going to love it. I love Paradox. Next is Mugler Alien. I have 2 bottles of Alien with me. This is one of my favorite scent profiles. Again, a white floral, dominating boss lady kind of a perfume. And I don't need like a dupe for it because I have the original. Next is Gucci Rush. Now this is the kind of fragrance which does have like a little bit of greenness to it. I quite enjoyed it, but not to a point that I want to repurchase. The last perfume is Dior Poison. Now this perfume I have purchased 5 times from Platinum Perfumes. Almost every second order that I placed with them, I ordered myself a backup of this. This is one of my signature scents to wear. Like, from Platinum Perfume, this is my signature scent to wear, one of those. I absolutely love the nuttiness, the sweetness, the strength that this perfume has. It just goes on and on and on and on for the whole day. I get compliments, it leaves a trail, it fills the room. Everything is like 100 out of 10 for this fragrance. This is one of my most repurchased fragrance from Platinum Perfumes. So that completes my video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this, and this was a good recap of the kind of fragrances that Platinum Perfume has. Now I just want to put it out there, these are inexpensive. The designer fragrances dupes are quite bang on. Like, they are 90-95% dupe of the original ones. They are so inexpensive. Most of them are non-synthetic and they are long lasting, they're projective, the sillage is amazing, the performance is better than the designers for some of them, because I have the original one and I can do the comparison and tell you that these are more potent. Overall, I absolutely love this dupe house in India, and I highly recommend you to try their fragrances and get a feel of what designer fragrances smell like before you go and invest 10,000 rupees into one fragrance. This is a wholesome experience, you guys. You really need to explore this store, go through their catalog and order yourself some goodness of designer and experience it. So that completes my perfume empties from Platinum Perfumes. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.